Good morning, everyone. This is your Wednesday, September 18th morning wake-up call. Let's get right into it. Looking at these overnight markets, we have the December contract for corn up a cent and a half at 4.14. We have the November soybeans are up 12 and a half cents in the overnight at 10.18 and a half currently, the high being 10.22. So we are kind of at the upper end of that range that we've been seeing here more recently. And then looking at the wheat, we are up 2.5 cents, 5.78 and a quarter. So sort of recovering from some loss that we had here the last couple days. But other than that, bean meal is up about $4, bean oil up about 50. So things are looking good here in the overnight session. What is giving us this strength? It's hard to say exactly, but we do have the Fed decision coming out here today. There's a 63% chance of a half point cut. So we'll have to see if it's, a half point or a quarter point or whatever it may be. But definitely hold on to your hats for that because it could have an effect on these markets kind of moving forward. The Dow is up 47 points right now. So we'll have to kind of see here what happens today. We will get the ethanol report as well, see what that looks like. But for now, things are holding strength. Question is, can we hold this strength? We've seen the beans start higher a few days here, and then they sort of pull back, and we haven't seen the greatest volume either. So, kind of seems like if we're not seeing that volume come in, then things are gonna sort of pull back a little bit, maybe towards that $10 area for the November contract. So, we'll see what happens here today. But in the way of news, there's not too much out there right now. But just moving over to the livestock quickly, we did have a really good day in cattle yesterday. Surprisingly, had October up a buck 57 and a half, December up a buck 50. So now they're kind of climbing back towards that 180 area. So this will be something interesting to see because the main driver of this market right now is box beef, and box beef continues to grind a little bit lower, yet we're still making a pretty solid move higher in the futures. Futures were also priced higher than cash yesterday, about 14 cents. So it'll be interesting to see here what happens today. But fundamentally, there's not really a reason for cattle to keep going higher, yet people are still just buying them away. So will we get any sort of correction here today? We might. Again, we'll have to kind of see what the Fed has to say, but maybe there is a little bit of strength left in this market. And then just touching on the hogs quickly, did have a very good day yesterday. October up 185, December up 152 and a half. So this is a market that it's been really interesting to watch. I think that I do still think that there is strength left here, but now if you're looking at the December contract, you are hitting that 200-day moving average right at 73.75. So we are right there on the dot. So we will see if we pull back today. This is just looking at it from a technical perspective. So if we do pull back, I think it'll be purely technical. But otherwise, you could see that as a buying opportunity to, continue to move up. So, yeah, in the overnight, things are looking pretty good. So if anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach me directly at 815-578-6173. This is Teddy Tarvis with your September 18th morning wake-up call. Thanks, everyone.